Here is how you can rename a photo folder on the iPhone. So we're gonna head straight over to the gallery, right? The app, the photo library app, and we're gonna switch to from the main mode to the collection, so you can actually go to the albums, right? Because the folders for photos are called albums, right? And in there you can see I have a couple of them and so on, but I can definitely make some changes. For example, this one says Apple Watch, right? So I can hold down on it like this and click on the pencil icon with the text which says edit title and photos. So when I click on this, it's basically going to get to the edit mode, and now I can change the name of the album or folder for my images, right? So I can change it from the Apple Watch to, I don't know, pictures, right? I'm going to type that in. So as you can see, now the title has been changed, and you can see that it just has like a different name for the folder, right? So that's the first thing, but you can as well create a new folder which is going to hold your albums, right? So if you click on the plus button and choose a new folder like this, you can also give it a name like, let's say that this is the folders, and I'm going to add the albums, right? So for example, the albums, I'm going to put them over into this folder, but the folder is also editable, right? Because if you have folder which holds albums, you can also hold it down on it like this and edit title, and you can also change the folder name of the of the folder which holds albums. So it's kind of nested this way, so whenever we create a new thing, you can either create a new album or folder, but both of them can be editable in terms of the photos inside and the title or name. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know if I did somewhat of a good job right below. Thanks a lot, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.